Hello, thank you for joining me today. My name is Alvin Curry, and I want to thank you for joining me here at iChooseMyEconomy.com. We're in our third series of success strategies versus wealth strategies. Now, previously, we talked about what success strategies were and what wealth strategies were. And then we did one on just success strategies alone and what it looks like and what my plan was for my getting to six figures once I got out of college and had my family and all those things. So right now I want to compare that to the choice I made to go in business and build a six-figure income and what that looks like. So if we talk about wealth strategies, remember wealth strategies is 16. You're going to build a business. That business needs to have leveraged income. That business needs to have multiple streams of income. That business needs to have residual income. And you must understand how to build investment income so that one day when you can retire, you're going to live off what's called passive income. Enough income to support your lifestyle without you having to go to work for it. So let's look at, again, a comparison of what it would take. I'm going to say in 3 to 7 years, we have people who have done this in 1 year. But you come into myEcon, you can see right here, myEcon, we are the personal finance success company. We help people become millionaires all the time, and we want to help you become one. Well, your first 12 to 18 months, let's just assume that you don't know anything about marketing. Then in those 12 to 18 months, you're going to have to do the same thing you did in college, is get some education. You're going to have to learn how our system works. We have what we call personal finance success. We have something called income shifting. We have a cash flow management system. We have our turnkey home-based business building system. You're going to have to learn things about motivation. You're going to have to learn leadership. You're going to have to learn about marketing. See, when you went to college, you had to learn all of those courses and pass them. Well, here, you have to learn those courses here at myEcon. But where it was $60,000+ a year to go to college, here it is only $39.95 to as much as $50.95 to enroll in our business and on a monthly basis maintain our business. Now, while you went to college, you didn't earn any money while you was in school. But in your learning process here at myEcon, we're going to teach you how to enroll members in our program and earn up to $40 per enrollment. Now remember, they pay less than $40 to enroll, and we're going to pay you up to $40 for each person you enroll. Then as people begin to enroll in your business and pay us on a monthly basis, we're going to pay you what's called residual income. You can earn up to $13 a month in residual income. So let's say that we can teach you in your training process how to earn as much, enroll as many as 10 people a week in our business. Well, that's $400 a week, $1,600 a month. You're not going to get wealthy there. But if you don't quit and you stick with it, now you're going to go on to build, we're going to get in some other series, talk about building 10 great leaders. So you build yourself a team with 10 great leaders, 1,000 myEcon associates. Now, we've been in this now for right at 20 years. We have tens of thousands of associates all across this country. So we know 1,000 associates is not unreasonable. At that, you're going to earn between $8.50 and $13. So I just rounded off to $10. So you're going to average $10 a pop. Well, that's $10,000 a month, residual income. Now, if you take that and then other products and services we sell, you earn another $2,000, $3,000 on that. Now you're going to earn somewhere around $14,000 to $15,000 a month. Leverage and residual income. See, we have multiple streams of income. When we talk about our company more in detail, I'll get into those sides of all the income streams we have. But for this purpose, I want to tell you, you can do that in 3 to 5, maybe as much as 7 years. You can build an income stream of up to $10,000 to $15,000 a month. That's leverage and residual income. Now, I know in social media, I know with all the influence, I know all the other presentation people give out here across the country, they tell you go get rich real quick. Well, if you've heard those, if you've tried all those things, and if you're sick and tired of trying things, well, you're never going to get wealthy. But if you're willing to try just one more time, I invite you to reach out to me at trustalvincurry.com. Or you can do LinkedIn. It's trustalvincurry.me. On my LinkedIn page, on my website page, you'll see my phone number. You can simply call or text me and let's talk. I would love to have a conversation with you about what makes myEcon and Alvin Curry different from any person else out here in this great social media platform. And it's telling you how you're going to get wealthy. Just let's take a look. Let's have a conversation. We are blessed to be a blessing. And I want to thank you for joining me here today. Thank you.